Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my web development series. In this lecture we will see how we can use links in our website, how we can add links of different websites and web pages to our link. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. Usually I make videos of programming language and how we can learn programming language, web development, and I also make videos of problem solving in programming, so you can check them out in my channel. So let's get started today's video. I have created a new file for link.html and open my live server in my browser. So we need to create our basic structure. So this is the basic structure for HTML. Inside here I will write a h1 tag called this is the link tag class, and I'll save this and run this. This is the link tag class. Okay, so how do we add links? So we have a tag. We have a tag called a. So it has a opening and closing tag. So inside this opening tag, we will write href. Href stands for hyperreference. Hyperreference means the HTTPS. We will reconnect it to the HTTPS. Then inside this hyperref we need to give our reference of a web page. So suppose we want to go to Google. So what we need to do, we need to write https clone slash slash zwgle.com. Okay, and after that we can write anything here. So suppose we want to write it as Google. So this is the text what we will see in our website, and this is the link. When we click on this text, it will take us to this link. Suppose we save this, we can see Google here, and it's in blue color and has a underline here. This means this is a link. So this means this is a link. If we give our mouse here, we can see the mouse cursor changes, and our here in our web page here we can see google.com. So if you press this, it will take us to Google. But there is a problem here. We can see that the Google page is opening our existing page. So suppose we are in our home and we click on the link, and it will go to that link and our web page has gone. So what we can do, we can open this link in a new tab like this. So what we need to do, after this hyperreference, we will give it a target. So what is a target? A target means where this link will open. So there is a lot of target text, but usually we use blank. So what this blank will do, it will create a new blank tab, and in that tab it will go to that website, the link we have provided. It will go to the website, the link we have provided. So this is called target blank. This is how we can link a link to our website. We can make this text big, we can do anything. So in my future video I will show you how we can add links to our images, to our buttons, and this is so handy because we need this link to make our navigation menu in our website. We'll see menu, contact us, about us, privacy policy, services. So these all menus are made by this link. So we'll see in our future video how we can make this. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it and understand it. So yeah, I will be back with another video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.